Hello, I'm Sonal Pradeshi, Product Marketing Manager for the Office Ecosystem team. This video is about how to better target your campaigns. There are several mechanisms to help promote your product or service, such as publishing blog posts, running social media campaigns on Facebook, Twitter, or other social media platforms, conducting digital campaigns for targeted line of business or vertical markets, and running email campaigns to a large group of prospective clients. As you build your marketing plans for your product, knowing your target market and customer helps you to focus your efforts. You can begin planning your digital strategy and driving demand across various channels to yield better results on your marketing investments. Leverage your digital channels such as your product's website, community pages, blogs, and other channels. Extend them by describing your office integrations. And also update your online store or marketplace listings for your apps and add-ins. In order to reach your customers with the right message, be sure to have a dedicated website for your solution. This should be one that allows you to tell your solution story and promote and reinforce its value to prospective customers. Think about your website as an extension of your marketplace listing. Use it to showcase any articles, blogs, or other information that might not easily fit into your listing and explain the call to action to your high-priority audiences. You can make it easy for customers to see the value in your solution by building up your store listing. Develop a compelling title that reflects your solution's function and captures your audience's interest. Create impactful icons, use screenshots effectively, and include details such as links to product videos in your store listing. Write a compelling short description that speaks to the problem you're solving for your customer segment. And lastly, provide additional pertinent details in your long description. Once you have all of your digital channels set up to highlight your product solutions, you can begin setting up your campaigns. Email is a great platform for targeted campaigns. Perhaps you have just attended a conference and received a large number of new leads that you would like to keep in contact with. Or you're about to release a new product or promotion and want to inform your existing customers. An email campaign is a great way to connect with your customers and measure that impact. Using an email marketing platform provides numerous features that help with the management, privacy, and customization of your email campaigns. These platforms may also integrate with your customer CRM database for ease of pulling customer lists and updating status information, as well as providing reporting. Set up the goals for your campaign, whether you are welcoming new customers to your service, informing them about available promotions, or keeping them engaged through regular newsletters. Set up the goals for your email campaign, as this can help to craft effective communications that result in higher conversions. Build a strong call to action. Open rates for email are often determined by the subject lines. Precise messaging and concise subject lines will help to optimize your response rates and make users more likely to read the contents of the email. And don't forget to use campaign tracking IDs. If you're marketing your Office store add-ins and apps, provide campaign tracking URLs within your email so users clicking on it can be tracked through to the Office store, and you can view valuable information regarding your customer funnel through to app acquisition. Also learn from your data. If you have run email campaigns in the past, leverage that information to test and determine the right depth of information, relevant visuals, taglines, and other form factors that influence the success rates of your campaigns and help inform your future strategy. Targeting the right customers. The more specific your target list and the better knowledge you have about your customer, the more you can tailor the campaign to your specialized groups. For example, if you're running a promotion for a tax add-in, timing of the year, size of the customer business, and other demographics can highly influence your potential for conversion. Running an email marketing campaign targeted to Office 365 subscribers can help you to reach more potentially qualified customers more quickly. For one thing, current Office customers can begin using your solution immediately without having to purchase Office in addition to your solution. And by focusing on customers who are already subscribing to Office 365, you have a higher potential for increased conversion rates. Tools such as MX Record Lookup or CNAME Lookup can help you to obtain records for your customer email list. What is an MX record? An MX record tells senders how to send email for your domain. Once your domain is registered, it's assigned several DNS records which enable it to be located on the internet. These include MX records, which direct the domain's mail flow and point to an email server that's configured to process mail for that domain. You can find several free tools online by querying on bing.com for MX Lookup or CNAME Lookup. Use one of the tools from the query, for example MX Lookup, to look up records for the domain in question. In targets for email providers returned, look for the value.outlook.com, as this is a good indicator of whether your user runs Office 365. There may be some issues such as when the DNS server is behind a proxy, where you are unable to collect accurate data. But nevertheless, the activity helps provide certain direction for your campaign user segmentation efforts. For more resources on how to take your apps and solutions to market, please see the Office ISV Go-to-Market Guidebook. Thank you for watching this video.